This week, link one debit order or more to your bank account on the NetBank Money app to stand a chance to win an iPhone or Samsung tablet up to the value of 20,000 Rand. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Amazulu 0. I'm joined by Lindo Pep.
Otherwise, team
I'm not.
Oh, no, so Orlando Stadium, so Orlando so pegala le game reverse fixture.
Uyibona kanjani?
Mathi siphule sithibo ngathi siphule kancane ngaphakathi.
Yeah,
Thi sicela ngamazulu. Unbelievable. I just want to give you coach credit before ngiqala.
Okay.
Unbelievable work from Pablo. Unbelievable work for organizing the structure, and he can deal with the pressure. He can handle Orlando Pirates, even though they were coming second half, even though riding Pirates totally riding a red card.
Yeah.
So unbelievable. We all lose the structure very early. Coming into the second half, I think we spent more than over 15 minutes because Pirates they say Maibuya for half time. But more than 5 minutes. Bamele Amazulu Guchapuma. I think he was organizing his structure, taking his time to organize the team. Bebadlala 4-2-3-1 bebadlala ngama number 10 ay3 namhlanje uXTN umlenga no Brooks. Brooks bekadlala as number 10 uXTN ku left umlenga on the right, then badlala ngolitswana.
Sure.
Badlala ngama number double number 6 umubhara no pen. I-back four yabo, but if ungabheka structure se game, unfortunately I don't know if abantu bazoyibona e-TV. Uriding umubhara namhlanje bekadlala as a hybrid center back. Hybrid center back is a center back that moves into midfield, but you need a proper development to understand that. That's why naku Sundowns role yakho idlala ukutse.
Okay.
Nabo Zungu. And it needs a proper development. You must know how to pass with both feet. If you need timing, if you umuntu okwazi ukread the game.
Okay.
So I game mama in position of the ball. Uyangena sondela ahlale next to umubhara. And then out of position uba left center back.
Okay.
So that's brilliant from the coach. I was looking at the coach and I'm thinking to myself, this guy doesn't sleep. He spends so much time thinking about the game, thinking about how to improve Amazulu. So what he did, I think one of the reasons why he did that is because they got analyzer. Remember, these teams buy some homework, buy some corrections. So I think by realizing that Tulibito is very dangerous on the right. He's been creating so many goals, opportunities from the right. So I apply what is called the Catenaccio, which is Catenaccio is the Italian philosophy. It's explain. No, but apply le out of position apply Catenaccio, which is the Italian philosophy where badlala kuba ne full back, kuba ne wing back, kuba ne center back, and then kuba ne center back. So kuhlezi kune cover. Nanomupithe I wing back. Usase ne left back eksamela ipithu usase ne center back eksamela ipithu. So they always had cover because bayazi ukuthi uKabelo Dlamini, which is Ushenko is the master in reverse pass. So all the time Ushenko uphula ungena ku half space, makaqeda ungena ku half space afuna ulibitho maka overlap aphule lapha bese ulibitho adlale hard and low, then abomaswanga ayibaliphasse netini noma babaso baliphasse netini easy tap in. And I just want to give credit to the former captain Sundowns, captain Sundowns former uRama Mphahlele. Unbelievable job. And Phyllis lapha move. Incredible the work that they did first half. And I think there was a period where our corner bamshayika heady ball azamukeli ball from Dion Hort, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Unbelievable. They put their bodies on the line. They gave the team everything. The team as a Durban.
Ipakania ungena kuyo.
Ngiyangena no kupakania Stibo, to be honest with you. I think just to qala ngalela goal nje kuphela. Unbelievable defense AmaZulu. I think lela goal yazi walithole kanjani Stibo. If abantu bebangabheka line, unfortunately I don't know if TV bayibonile riding uBrooks uwile bekaphile bekashawa amagajaca, but I don't know, remember Brooks comes from an injury. So bekawila leli phansi. Right, makaleli phansi makathi uyasukuma uTito athatha lela bola from the right channel. Makathatha lela bola from the right channel wa penetrate wadlali 1-2. I don't know who was on the right. I think uLibitso. Wadlali 1-2 no Libitso. Makaphuma usale wadlala usale ngurane in behind la uBrooks la bekalentuza. uBrooks so makathi makasukuma makathi uya recover usale ngwarana in behind. Warana in behind naye. Manje I'm worried about uVelimutho. I don't believe this guy is the second choice goalkeeper. Phuma uzonceda team. Lela bola lelana line weighted too much. Phuma uzonceda team usale ngakana right blocker le angle. Utasebenzisa left. Dela pass lelana umabasa ulishange one touch elentuze enethini. It's a one touch pass. You understand? Moving into Pirates. The Pirates they haven't changed their structure. They haven't changed their system in the last 5 games, if I'm not mistaken. Ama changes abawenza nje amancane. I think namhlanje abayenzile ka keep umayela by introduce uXoki. Incredible work from Sitbo Chai and a good organization emuva. unbelievable work. Ngikhumbuza OJ Mabizela lentwana. Athi simnika ipraise, athi simnika ama-flowers. I understand ukuthi baqeda ukum-introduce i-coach e-Pirates. We don't want to overpraise him because we want him to gain momentum. Usesana, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Kunalaba amnika khona ibhola e-center Sithibo alitrap alibamba ngama-stats. Abhekelela igame. Yazi uzama ukuthini leya muntu. Uzama ukuthi mina bafethu ngeke ngikwazi ukulikhabela phambili. Ngicela nisondeleni nizodlala ibhola. Ubiza uteam noMakhawula. Ubiza uteam noMakhawula. Ngikhumbuza OJ Mabizela. OJ Mabizela is the only player e-Africa bekakwazi ukubeka uchest ibhola eboxini lakhe. Athi sondelani sizodlala. Bekangayisabi ipressure. I understand uthanda ipressure umfana omncane. Uxoki can learn a lot from that because ngisana ukumbona sometimes yapanika. Incredible uxoki though with ama aerial ball. Yayisiza iPirates ngama aerial ball. Good job from Mulitswalo van der Gaag. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi women of the match. uDion Hoto always these days uDion Hoto sakashama 8 out of 10 I think they don't appreciate him enough Pirates. Ushama 8 out of 10 ama performances wakhe. Team noMakhawula bebastabilize igame. I don't want to say much because uMakhawula udlale 45 minutes by introduce unda riding. Uteam lento ngagreya nobubo kancane. Uteam I think modern football is running away from him. I think in the next 3 years he won't be playing for Orlando Pirates. I think it's too slow. Igame ama player afana nabo team abo Ozil slow players. I think igame kancane yabakhafula yona Steve. Bakwazi ukukava distance. Kunala ama situation where every time amaZulu mawadlala uXTN he's always late ebholweni. I understand he's always late. I didn't even give uXTN ama flowers wakhe but unbelievable game to ACN. And then moving to intwana yethu encane uriding uRatomo because ayancane umfukeng. Incredible game untwana uyeza intwana encane but we need istingi consistency from kuye. Mele understand when to carry when to dribble but izinto lezo azozithola ngegame time. I'm happy that uJose umguy game time ukuthi akwazi ukudlala so that athole game time. Aloka afunda kulama mistake ayenzayo. And then uMabasa nayi lento kaMabasa athi ngibuye kuya ngifuna bathi ngine-agenda nontwana. I don't have an agenda noMabasa. I want him to because I understand nathi uSundowns yamfuna. I feel that uzoba better suited to Sundowns because sinabo umshishi abantu abakwazi ukumsebenzisa sokwazi ukumsebenzisa nje as i-wall. You understand?
So uzobathathela.
Ku-Pirates no that's why. That's why angifuni mamela siyamfuna but ngiya understand uRoland probably ufuna ukumsebenzisa as i-wall because nakhona sinoshalulile as a striker. But if you bheka uriding uMabasa namhlanje second half besikhuluma riding noBobo Sele Stadium. I-second half mayicala kuphele 15 minutes angalithinta ngebhola ngicela abantu bayahamba bayo-analyze 15 minutes
bathi akatholanga ibhola kaphaswa
15 minutes mara move. I don't as a striker you are playing for a big club move uzothasha abakuthinti tshela uTito sale lapha nine uTito sala lapha ngiyothinta kancane hamba uyothinta uthatha ama 1-2 gain confidence iba involved egamini umile up until the only time alithintile kunala alithinte khona eboxini I think wow every time abamphasa ibhola abamthinta uyawo kunalabo abadlala nge-long ball. Remember iPirates is a ball oriented team sometimes basana release the pressure but they use him as an exit point. Right, point of reference but they use him as an exit point. Balahlela phambili bamnika yena kumele alibeke bamba kahle ibhola lethu so that sokwazi ukusondela.
Ngiyathola.
Akalungisa izinto ezincane egamini yakhe uMabasa so that iPirates izokwazi ukuchallenge for a league. Very good striker. I believe that is one of the best strikers that we have in the country. But I just need him to fix the little things like protect ibhola. He's more of a box striker. So akabe dangerous ngokudlala towards his back towards goal. I think that's his strength. So akabe iwall proper ke. So that abotite mabamfida akwazi ukuba iwall eli proper.
The man of the match.
The man of the match is Tibo. To be honest with you, I've got two. Mavotupule XTN. Mavotupule XTN incredible game. I think by sola ngara naturena to be honest with you. I shange arrogant and arrogance langwe. Arrogance XTN. And then no Sesana VV. I think by no Sesana will be Pirates to win to be honest with you. Sesana you deserve everything. You deserve your credit for an incredible game. Keep improving as a football.